ZBCN, Zebec network, taking the crypto world by storm. Today we're going to talk about the price action of ZBCN. Are we heading for a pullback? Jogo, let's go.
CM, ZBCN is a monster. Welcome to all the Zebatians. Look, what I'm going to do now, CM, okay, and maybe arrange the charts to be a bit better. Boom, that's even better. What I'm going to do now is share with people what can they expect moving forward, okay, to have professional decision making. So they need to open their eyes, open their ears, and understand what we're saying, and also cook the like, subscribe, and make sure they comment in the section below. What do they think about ZBCN? Zebatian Army, show us the love. Okay, this is the chart of ZBCN. As we said multiple times, this was an accumulation neglect phase. We took the breakout exactly from here. CM is going to show you the trade in just a few moments, okay? This was the trade. Now, not for nothing, this is a repeatable pattern, okay? We call this the neglect stage one breakout or a multi-month, saucer breakout. Doesn't matter the name. What matters is that this is something repeatable. Now, after you have this breakout from here, even if you're not a chartist just yet, you can understand this. It's very simple, okay? Even if you don't understand, after a breakout like what we had over here, okay, what usually you can expect, okay, is a move sideways. Now, maybe that's what we are happening right now, okay, because we did get halted at the 56 area and we couldn't muster to go over that again. So maybe we're going to get right now what is called a sideways action. Okay, now I'm drawing a pennant because it can look like a pennant, but it can have different variations. Okay, so be open and creative. I'm going to show you, okay, as well, one example of what you might expect. Okay, so once this happens, it's going to move sideways within a range. Again, at one point, boom, it's going to continue. I don't know when exactly, okay? This chart is for educational purpose, just for representation, what I think can happen. At the moment it's going to break out, you want to make sure that if you already have a position, that's a place you can add low risk, high asymmetric reward. And if you don't have, you might want to make sure that you can dabble with it. And of course, if you don't know how, you should definitely make sure to get in our memberships. CM, what do you think about this?
Yeah, man, I'm mega bullish on ZBCN. Guys, Zebec, I'm super bullish on ZBCN. I'm going to show you the chart as well. Why am I so bullish on ZBCN? I think, again, this is just the beginning. Okay, this is just the beginning of the ZBCN bull market. We just started. We just started the bull market right here. I believe we are super early for ZBCN, and really, I think the remaining of the year, okay, as long as Bitcoin is not really, topping out or going into a bear market, so we have some months, I think, to come of a bull market for ZBCN. Man, I'm expecting a mega bull market for ZBCN for the next couple of months into the end of the year, maybe even later. But as a trader, I know even in a bull market, you're gonna have period of resting, corrections, or pullbacks, or consolidations, and that's where the money is being made. So you want to put, that's where we made the money right here. We saw it testing the highs. We saw it when going sideways, creating like a handle and resistance. You can see that was a handle and that was like a cup, creating this pattern that we love and follow and study for the last 10 years or so, and now we broke. Okay, we broke. Once we broke, we took a position. I'll show you the trade. This was the first trade. We bought it. You can see the date here is 19th of May.
We don't
We
see it,
bought
CM.
some. Hey, you don't see it?
No.
I'm gonna share it again. Where is my chart? My window. Right. This is the chart, the trade. You see it? That was
Yes.
the first entry was 196. You can see these trades are professional. You get targets, you get tops, you get the allocation you put, the amount of capital you put, you get add-on conditions, you can see we triple the size. Once it broke above 217, you leave a runner. That's amazing trade. Look at the trade, man. Look at the trade. All our members took this trade. One entry at 196, another one at 217. Amazing trade, man. We nailed it. Max gain on the first entry, 150%. Max gain on the second entry, in the first entry, sorry, 180%. That's insane move. And again, we already collected the profit. Okay, so let's say our members took this trade. Okay, let's say they put in total 30,000. Okay, let's say now after this move, obviously we took profit along the way, we closed runners, la la la. Now this money is pretty much doubled. Okay, so now they have 60K. Now they trade with this 60K on other trades that are breaking out right now. This is the reason why you, my friend, want to join our membership. You, my friend, want to scan the QR code on the top left corner or this one on the middle of the screen like you see right now. It will take you to our next webinar. The next webinar, we're going to share with you many, many names that will move just like ZBCN, or maybe even better, that you have no idea about them and you want to have idea about them. So make sure. And also, we're going to teach you all our strategy on how to buy breakouts, how to select the coins, to have the proper coin selection process, because you don't want to be holding rubbish coins. This is a bull market. If your coins are not making you money now, you are losing money. Literally losing money sitting in a rubbish coins. So make sure to buy yourself the Crypto Hunter webinar. Scan the QR code, man. Buy it now. Don't be lazy. Buy it now. We're going to see you next week in the webinar. And obviously, join our VIP community as well as a member. Jomo, you want to add something?
Man, we got it. ZBCN, make sure to watch it. Continuation trade is going to come. We believe it's in the bull market. Join our memberships to make sure you don't miss out on it. Like, subscribe, push that bell notification. We're going to see you on the next one, CM. No edge,
no trade.
Cheers, everybody.